Hello, this is Dr. Quack. Welcome to my training video on how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. Video part 3 of 6. This video is part of a 6-video series. We will send you one video a day for 5 consecutive days. Video 1 is on research. We send it to you on day 1. Video 2, anger. Video 3, promotional messages, is sent to you on day 3. This is the video you are watching now. Video 4, incentive. Video 5, deploy. Video 6. To watch video 6, you must share video 1 with 3 of your friends. Please follow the instruction we'll give you. If you have not received video 1, go to this URL and sign up now. Video 3, promotional messages. This video is about how to write messages that can gain the attention of your prospects. A good message, whether it's an email, blog, tweet, must have this. 1. A subject line or a headline. 2. An opening sentence. 3. A story. 4. A lesson. 5. A call to action. 7 ways to create hot selling messages. Here are 7 approaches to write your emails, blogs, Facebook posts, or tweets. Number 1 is a story approach. In this approach, you tell a story and share the lesson that you learn. Make sure the story is real, because people will not know if you are not telling a real story. Number 2, checklist approach. 7 ways to make money online. Again, try to tell a true story. Number 3, Q&A approach or FAQ. This is best used towards the end of an email campaign. Number 4, a controversial approach. Subject, the case for bombing JVZOO. It's important that you relate your headline or subject line to the story. The headline can be controversial, but make sure you can relate it to the story you are telling. The story must be real. Number 5, pop culture reference. Example, Donald Trump would love this. You can have a controversial headline, but you must be able to relate this to the story. Number 6, curiosity approach. The 7 sins of internet marketing. A popular phrase. Number 7, popular phrase approach. Actions speak louder than words. Here I share with you some online resources that you can use. The first is bandsetter.com. This site teaches you how to write powerful email. You can sign it up for free. bandsetter.com. Bandsetter is a famous email marketing guru. On his website, you can sign up for the newsletter for free. The second site is the freedictionary.com. On this site, you can find idioms and phrases. The the freedictionary.com. Go under idioms. So under idiom and phrases, you can get a lot of good reference. Number 3, dig.com. On this site, you can get a lot of good headline ideas. The best movie of 1998. The best story of 1998. The Impossible Job. Inside Facebook struggle to moderate 2 million people. The next site is Maxim.com, which is a men's magazine site. You can look for some good headline ideas on this site. And the last site, the Pinterest.com. "50 books that might make me smarter." "35 books all 20-something should read." 40+ books that will change your life. These are just some of the headline ideas. In video 6, you will get ready-made promotional messages for email, blog, Facebook, and Twitter. Next, we look at a good story email from bensettle.com. The first line is the subject line. It says, "The secret of the black triangle." The second line is the opening. "Let me tell you about the black triangle secret." The third paragraph is the story. "Back in grade 5, my teacher handed the class a list of tasks to do. The first task was to draw a triangle and color with pencil as dark as possible. So we all went along and did all the tasks on the list, one after another, thinking we were clever until the last task, which was to say, ignore task number 1. Oh, the rest, continue with the story. Next is the lesson. What is the lesson? The lesson is they didn't read carefully. They didn't follow the instruction carefully. That is the lesson. So it continue on with the lesson. Then comes to the call to action. Instead, go here to learn how profitable email is done. And this is the URL. Very simple. Just one sentence. You see that? What is in store in video 6? In video 6, you will get this. 1. 70 hand-picked hot-selling evergreen product in JVZOO. Enjoy guaranteed approval as affiliate, even if you have 0 sales. Get pre-written promotional messages for email, Facebook, blog, and Twitter. Download ready-made bonuses to be given away as incentive with your affiliate products. Learn the free traffic method of promoting on Facebook. A step-by-step done-for-you guide on how to sell online. How to get video 6. To get video 6, simply share this video with 3 of your friends as follows. If you have already signed up for video 1, we have emailed you instruction on how to share this video with your friends. However, if you have not signed up for video 1, go to this URL and sign up now. Special report. We have emailed you a special report which includes the PowerPoint presentation file. Print it out and watch this video again. Take note on your printout. If you have not received the special report, go to this URL and sign up now. How to get in touch with me if you need help. You can get in touch with me if you have any question or if you need help as follows. You can use Facebook Messenger. You can go to my Facebook page and get more tools. Make sure you like it. Or you can send me an email. That's the end of my presentation for video 3. See you in the next video. Bye.